one triangle. Okay, so what is there in accounting in after capital account is the same thing. So understand and explain difference between bookkeeping, accounting, purpose of measuring the business profit and loss, explain the role of accounting to provide information for monitoring progress. So explain the meaning of assets, liabilities, and equity. Explain and apply the accounting equation. Understand the statement of financial position. Record assets and liabilities in a specific. So this is as per Catherine Bookam. So whether it is this book or Frank Wood's business accounting, it is the same thing. So here the lesson name of the lesson is accounting equation and the balance. So ultimately the name of the lesson may be different, but what is the content? So what is the content in the same? So there are several books written by several authors, and again some institutes come up with their own notes, their own syllabus and other things. But everyone will be within the ambit of syllabus that has been set by IGCSE. So after you have studied this chapter, you should be able to what are the objectives. Explain what accounting is about. So what do you mean? Describe the history of accounting. So explain the relationship between bookkeeping and accounting. Okay. Bookkeeping and accounting. List the main users of accounting information and what accounting information are. Present and explain the accounting equation. See, bookkeeping, accounting. Explain the relationship between accounting equation and the layout of balance sheet. So balance sheet is nothing but statement of financial position. So it is also called statement of financial position. Explain the meaning of the term assets, capital, liabilities, debtors, and creditors. So this is given in more detail there. So describe how accounting transactions identify items of the accounting information. So so then draw balance sheets after accounting transactions. So all these things we are going to learn in this in today's class. So it might be a lengthy class. So but we discuss the important things, and we will divide it into two parts. So we will divide it into two parts so that it becomes easier for you also to understand, grasp, and even review. So revise. So we'll start with all this. So introduction to accounting or the accounting equation and balance. So this is the so what is bookkeeping? So accounting equation and bookkeeping. So what is bookkeeping? See, the business needs to maintain details about the transactions being taken place. What are the transactions that take place in the business? Business may sell goods, may buy goods, may make the payments, may make payments over different accounts, like they may pay salaries, stationery. Similarly, it may receive even commission. So many aspects are involved. So what does the bookkeeper do? Bookkeeper is the first person. The bookkeeper is the first person who records the transaction from the source. Okay, so he records the transaction detailed record. Detailed record of accounting information. Detailed record of business transaction. Detailed record of business transaction is it's called bookkeeping. So the bookkeeper does everything. He records everything in detail. Like he may record the bill number, the account on which it has been received. So many things. The first source. Okay, the first source. Okay, the first source is made by bookkeeping. So that is known as bookkeeping. Okay. So then what happens in accounting? So whatever information is derived from this is converted into financial statements. So what are financial statements? Financial statements are nothing but income statement wherein you find out what is the income you have received, income statement, ultimate income statement, so position statement, so statement of financial position. It's also known as balance sheet, statement of financial position, and cash flow statement. So those are known as financial statements. So based on the data provided by bookkeeping, accounting is, so what is the need? So any business cannot survive without profits, right? So after you do the business, we have to find out where are we standing, where what is the status. So we have to evaluate ours. So that is why income statements are made. Income statements we can find out what is the profit, what are the expenses, what is the revenue, what are the expenses we gain, and what are the expenses we have incurred, and the net amount, what is the net result. So that is what is income. What is statement of financial position? We make a list of what we have and what is owing to the business, what do we owe. So many things are there. So that you will understand once we come to equation and related functions. So as of now, statement of financial position is assets and liabilities. So we'll come to know what is this. So what is the need? So we need to understand. We need to understand so that that is the main criteria for survival. So a lot of notes are available. So in the textbooks, you can refer the textbooks for a detailed discussion of this. So it's easy, so you can understand and you can write for it. So then we'll proceed to the main. So explain the meaning of concepts. The main theme of this lesson is how equation and related. Explain and apply the equation and related concepts and positions. Understand the statement of financial position. Record assets and liabilities. Okay. So you have to remember five components. So basically, so what is accounting equation? Accounting equations is assets is equal to liabilities